3 reasons why you stay beta. Listen up. Welcome back. My name's Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, you heard it, man. 3 super critical reasons why you stay beta. How to get over those reasons that I'm gonna explain to you and what you can do. Because this is simple. This is fucking simple. I have to explain this to so many of my students, to my friends. It's so simple. I think that a lot of men, they go overboard, man. They think, oh my God, it's so bad, what it's gonna happen, and they just make it worse. They always think it's way worse than what it really is. This is why I always preach, man. You gotta learn how to step back from your mind and look at things in a correct manner. Just take a step back. Take one little step back, and then you can realize you can see everything clearly. If this sounds like something that you can learn from, if you can take value from this video, listen up, stick with me, man, stick with me. Don't be flipping around, try to pay attention. Don't let your mind take a hold of you and force you to have that urge. Oh, I need to learn more. I need to know what the second step is. Oh, I need to know what the third step is. Sit back and take your time. This is a short video, 8 to 10 minutes, to learn crucial things that will help you along your path. Pay attention. Now, real quick, before I begin, I want to quickly announce that I have a 10-day masculine workshop. It is a meditation course for free in the description. Check it out, man. Now, what are these things, Dre? What are these things that keep me beta? If you even have the thought that you're beta, that's good. That's so good, because you're not prideful. You're not in this delusional realm of thinking that you're better than what you really are. The first step, man, the first step to self-improvement, to developing yourself into an exceptional man, is being honest with yourself. Saying, man, look, I need work. I need work, man. It's time to get going. That is so key, so key. As soon as you do that, and you take your ego away from that bullshit, stop thinking that, oh, I don't need this, I don't need that, then you can actually make progress into becoming who you want to be. That's it. Simple as that, man. So number 1, listen, dude. If you've been listening the last 2 minutes, you probably already realize what this is. When you begin on your journey, it's so hard in the beginning because you're really fighting yourself. You're truly just fighting yourself. And, you don't think you're enough. You see other people that are miles ahead of you, which you should not be comparing yourself to them. You should only compare yourself to you, man, the person you were yesterday. You know this. The first thing that I've seen with men that keeps them beta and stuck in life, these are in no particular order. These are just key points that you need to take into account when you're on your journey, especially in the beginning. Don't be, can you guess it? A slave, man. Don't be a slave to circumstance. Do not. I'm not good enough. My parents did this to me, that's why I'm this way. I didn't get this when I was younger, that's why I'm this way. That kid did this to me in fucking 2nd grade, and that's why I'm this way. I have these cuts in my soul. Don't do that to yourself, man. All of that has nothing to do with the person that you will become. The more you stick to this identity that your imagination is creating of yourself, the more you stay stuck, man. And you are literally a slave. And it's your doing. The world around you and things that have happened to you only make you stronger or teach you a lesson. Nothing holds you back. You should fear nothing. Now, with that being said, Number two that I see constantly, men refuse to. They want all the help they can. They want to get all the knowledge. They think if they read this book, if they watch this video, if I've seen this person's whole channel, I will be an exceptional human being. No. You could literally watch a quarter of all the content, read a few books, and still get the results you want. Because in the end, men just don't take action, my man. They don't take action. This is one of those things that, like, as a coach, man, it's ridiculous. I see so many guys, especially when I used to work in the gym, they just wanted me to slap their hand. It's like they wanted me to take the weight from them and do the reps. Man, you can't be like that. You can't. If you just learn to stop being a little baby, it doesn't matter about your past. None of that matters. What matters is what you do today, right now, and then in the future. Just fucking move forward. There's no other way to do it, man. There's no nice way to put it, dude. You just gotta, like, grow the fuck up, dude. That is one huge aspect of becoming an adult. Not just a man, a fucking adult. You have to take action. You can listen to very little content and take action on that and see results. Just make sure you're not bogging yourself down. I see a lot of that as well. People, they consume so much fucking content and then they're just like overwhelmed and they like can't take action. They don't know what to do. Oh my God. And then they're all fucking whacked out. Don't go there, man. Just from what you know now, if you could spend one day consuming content and take action on that content, you could seriously watch 3 or 4 of my videos, put it into use, and fucking go for it, man. But one of the biggest things that will hold you back is yourself. You want to know how you get over that? Real simple. It takes 10 minutes a day. And eventually you get to 20, 30, sometimes an hour a day. In the morning, you know it, man. I've said it so many times on this channel. Meditate. Wake up and meditate, man. This saved my life. I was the most emotionally driven human being I ever met. I was the worst, man. I was the worst. I didn't want to take action. I didn't want to do anything. I just sat around and cried and wallowed. I would drink. I would smoke a ton of weed. I would just sit there and play guitar and just cry about it and write all this sad music. I got nowhere. I just suppressed. Every day I just suppressed and used my imagination for the wrong things. In meditation, you have this tool of meditation to actually manifest your life. You can make life happen. You don't have to be a, slave to circumstance. You just don't. You have this control, but you have to step back first and learn how to meditate. And that is the trick, man. When you stay beta and stay a child, you don't have control of things. You're a slave to circumstance. And because you create all these excuses, like one after the other, and then you don't take action. To get over this, just meditate. Start going deep, seeing what's holding you back, and it will show itself. It will show itself. But be consciously aware. That's all I have for you, man. Click that link in the description if you want a meditation course. Like the video, man. Share it with a friend. I will see you in the next one.